Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the filter diameter printed on the lens or cap. This ensures the filter will seat properly. Once confirmed, clean the lens front and filter thread with a blower and microfiber so no grit interferes. With the lens facing down or supported, remove the front cap and steady the lens with one hand. Now bring the filter to the thread squarely. Start threading with your thumb and index finger to feel engagement and avoid cross-threading as you begin. Next, you make the critical middle adjustments. Start with 2 to 3 gentle turns by hand so you can feel the threads engaging correctly. Once engaged, keep the filter flat against the lens and use finger pads to maintain even pressure while turning clockwise. This prevents skew and stress on the threads. If you plan to stack a second filter or step ring, align and seat the primary filter fully first. Then repeat the same careful hand threading, so everything remains concentric, and finally you snug the filter until it is firm. Finger tight is typically sufficient because over-tightening risks damage. Make a quick test shot to confirm there is no vignetting or misalignment at your intended focal length. If you see dark corners, back the filter off and reseat it. If the filter becomes stuck, stop forcing it. Use a rubber pad or a strap wrench for extra grip. Turn counterclockwise slowly, and if you suspect cross-threading, back out, realign carefully, and rethread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.